Want to offer managed SEO services but aren't sure where to start? In this video, we'll show you exactly how you can use Vendasta to provide powerful SEO services to your clients, and we'll explain how you can get started for free with some exclusive bonuses. Stick around to the end because we've got something special for you. Let's dive right in. First, what exactly is Vendasta? Vendasta is a platform designed to help agencies and businesses manage and deliver services like SEO, marketing, and even more, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. It's an all-in-one solution, which is perfect for people who want to offer managed SEO services but don't have the resources to develop everything from scratch. Next thing, Vendasta's SEO solutions are tailored for both beginners and seasoned professionals. You don't need to be an SEO expert to offer high-quality SEO services. Vendasta offers an automated, white-label SEO platform where you can easily manage client projects and track progress. You get access to features like keyword tracking, site audits, and content recommendations, all bundled together in an easy-to-navigate interface. The third thing, one of the standout features of Vendasta, is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a large agency, you can scale up your SEO offerings without needing a big team or a lot of technical expertise. It's a great way to provide high-level SEO services while keeping things simple on your end. The fourth thing, you can offer customized SEO plans tailored to your clients' needs. Vendasta allows you to create packages that fit different industries and budgets. From on-page SEO to advanced off-page strategies, you can build a solution that works for every client, regardless of their size or niche. The fifth thing, one of the key benefits of using Vendasta for managed SEO services is the reporting and analytics. You'll be able to deliver clear, detailed reports to your clients, showing them exactly how their SEO efforts are paying off. With these reports, you can justify your services and keep clients informed every step of the way. Next thing, if you're just starting out, you'll love the fact that Vendasta offers a seamless experience when it comes to onboarding new clients. You can easily introduce them to the platform, track their progress, and show them the value of SEO services without a steep learning curve. Now, let's talk about how you can get started with Vendasta for free. If you're looking to explore the platform without any commitment, you can sign up using the link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial and some extra bonuses that you won't find elsewhere. At the end of the day, offering managed SEO services with Vendasta can help you scale your business, even if you're just starting out. Whether you're a freelancer or a full-fledged agency, Vendasta provides everything you need to deliver quality SEO results to your clients with minimal effort. Don't forget, using the link below, you can get your hands on an extended free trial to the platform, along with some exclusive bonuses that will make your journey even easier. You won't want to miss this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the free trial.